Welcome to our guide for seniors and caregivers, featuring 2 easy, budget-friendly 3-course dinners for simplicity and nutrition. Our first dinner begins with simple tomato soup. Heat canned tomatoes, add herbs, and blend for comforting appetizer. For the main course, enjoy budget-friendly chicken stir-fry. Stir-fry chicken pieces with carrots and onions, finish with soy sauce. Dessert is refreshing fruit salad. Chop fruits like bananas and apples. Mix them with a dollop of yogurt for sweet, healthy treat. Dinner 2 starts with crisp green salad. Combine fresh lettuce and cucumber. Drizzle with vinegar dressing for light, refreshing appetizer. Next, hearty tuna pasta. Cook pasta, mix it with canned tuna and diced tomatoes for quick, satisfying meal. Conclude with delightful yogurt parfait. Layer creamy yogurt with oats and fresh berries for easy, nutritious dessert. Simple, budget-friendly meals prove delicious and nutritious dining within reach. Enjoy cooking easy 3-course dinners.